Hello everyone, and in this video we will calculate and print the quotient and remainder of two numbers, two integer numbers. So as you can see in the program, we have included the stdio library and also have initialized our main function as well. And we have three variables, so two integer variables to hold the two numbers and basically an answer variable to hold the answer. So printing out the quotient and the remainder of numbers, we will be using integer division. And the way that integer division works is that once you divide an integer by another integer, it does not take into account any remainders. And as you can see, as I do a number of examples with the code, you can see that the computation for the first part, which is just the number divided by itself, does not give us any remainders. So the way that you want to get a remainder from an integer division is you want to use the modulus, and that is essentially what we do in line 20. And this is better demonstrated by an example. So as we run the code, I put two numbers, which is 2 and 3, and it says that 2 divided by 3 is 0. As I said, with integer division, it does not show any remainders. So if you do 2 divided by 3, the answer that you would get is 0. But we all know that is not the case. 2 divided by 3 is 0.667. So just make sure that you keep that in mind, especially when dividing two integers, that integer division does happen, meaning that it does not take into account any remainders. And running the code again with another example, 12 divided by 5, the answer becomes 2. And we know that that is not the case, right? 12 divided by 5, there is a decimal portion associated with that value. And the way that we get that is with the modulus computation. So you mod the numbers again, and then it will give you 2, but it's going to be 2 divided by 5, right? So it's going to be 2 plus, or 2 to the 2 divided by 5, if that makes any sense. But yeah, just keep that in mind that while doing integer division, that you do not get any remainders. So if you, let's say, have a program that you have to do some kind of computation or some kind of formula, and you're using integers, your values may be wrong, and the reason that it may be wrong was because of integer division. So keep that in mind while doing your programs. I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next video, and take care.